estrogens stimulate Th1. Do you observe a higher incidence of autoimmune diseases in men or women? Absolutely women. Yeah, estrogens, boom. Cortisol inhibits Th1. Everybody speaks about melatonin, and they say melatonin makes you sleeping. It's false. You have to use over 5 milligrams of melatonin just to sleep a little. In Italy, you cannot use more than 1 milligram by law. But melatonin is not important to make you sleepy. Melatonin, look, up regulates Th1. So, melatonin in low dose, guna melatonin, is a very important immune stimulator in, for instance, all people with sleep disorders, because it is a stimulator of cell-mediated immune response. In fact, you observe that if you don't sleep well, your immune system goes down, such as under stress. It's melatonin. In those people, this is the beauty of this medicine, you have to tailor the therapy on the body of your patient. In older, especially elderly people with immune compromission, always think to restore the immune competence even with melatonin. So, okay, these are other examples. I think that you have your syllabus, no? In your syllabus you have all the slides. I will not use all the slides, otherwise we stay here 3 days. Okay. But I asked my friends on Biomedical to prepare the syllabus with all the slides, so you have something like a textbook. Okay. Another example. Global vision of the human body. Another concept I want to stress with you is that even